Hello all and welcome to another weekly cryptocurrency market update. Let's check in as we always do with this proxy for Bitcoin, the GBTC. It's like an investment trust which seems to balance out the volatility of the actual coin. Let's draw some lines because I think it's at an important inflection point. There seems to be a pretty strong trend line now that goes way back to August 2017. So there's a pretty strong trend line there. You can safely draw that one and say that means something if it can hold on to it, or if it the negative scenario if it breaks below it. So I think we've also got this upper one here that's been applying the pressure, and it really hasn't been able to break out of that for some time now on the long-term side of things anyway. And what's important is that Bitcoin could be right at this, stuck in this. You see how this has formed a wedge, which is a common formation, it seems, with cryptocurrencies, and it's right in the very tip of that wedge. So I think what happens next is going to be very instructive about the next move for Bitcoin. We're looking for a move up now. It needs to jump up higher. Failing that, it could be a test of this $10 line again. Let's look at the day-to-day chart for some closer look at the action. It's been a very nondescript couple of weeks actually. It's just sort of chugs along, slight tick upwards here, but we can see that downwards slope is still very much in trend. With the 50-day crossed over the 200-day here, which isn't a good technical scenario, but let's see, it's not 100% accurate. It could turn it around, but either way it's an important reflection point. What's going on generally, same as always, is that it's like inhaling and exhaling. This number has gone down, the actual number of Bitcoin being purchased, it's people buying, people not buying, and that just affects the price. And here we've got the league table for the top coins. It's pretty much stayed the same, like Bitcoin, all of them are sort of floundering around a little bit around their 200-day. Here's Bitcoin, as you can see, just shoved below it recently. Ethereum, they're all just a bit flat. EOS is the one we had 9 recently, and that has done exceptionally well. Neo, same story for all of them. This one is probably the strongest by far, which I identified around about there, I think. So it's had a nice run, but it's sort of leveling off in line with everything else. And you can see it here actually. These have always been the big three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. But this has really moved up the ranks nicely. It's performing exceptionally well on the chart. So keep a close eye on that one still. And you can see it's starting to rival even Bitcoin Cash. So that's all for this week. Watch closely now because this could be an important week, and I will speak to you next time.